We're leaving the Opera House in Hanover with Emrecan Tanış.
Hi there.
And this is the perfect opportunity to talk about something that has no relation at all to this channel. We're not talking about projections on stage because he has got his own projection designer, so that's honor the colleagues.
I mean, we will work at some point for sure.
But there is one thing that is really important to understand. It is when theaters try to do advertising and they nowadays want some trailer, some video. It is something 1 minute long on Instagram or YouTube or something, then they share it on their homepages and they always suck. Mine suck too. Mine are horrible actually. There are reasons for that, and we're trying to go through the reasons.
I kind of liked yours though.
It starts, in my opinion, with this one thing that I really don't get, because the trailer, we filmed this trailer to sell tickets, basically. Well, this is what they pay me for. But at the same time, you want to sell the whole piece to a theater.
Yeah, of course.
Why do we tell secrets, or why don't we tell secrets? Sometimes we try to avoid things, like those stairs, for example. We thought it would be kind of stupid to tell the audience that there is something going on there. Yeah. At the same time, that's one of the main, parts of the piece. So why not show it when we try to sell the piece, when you are going somewhere else, for example, or just somebody who doesn't come to the theater because they're really far away, like your family is in Turkey, I guess.
We just need to put as much as secrets that it's not revealing too much, but still it opens people's curiosity as well, so that they will take the ticket and watch it. I mean, it's not just selling the tickets, but selling the whole experience as well.
The whole company. Yeah, so your job as somebody who does a trailer is not to shine as a cameraman. It is to make those people on stage shine. So if you move too much, for example, because you want to shine because you're talented as a camera person, that sometimes isn't the right thing. Fred Astaire once said, either the camera will dance or I will.
Alright.
So there is either movement on stage, or there is movement
from the camera.
Oh yeah, and go easy on the edit. Don't do these 2 cuts a second edits, because you're already filming art. And if you're creating art in your edit, maybe then you should have filmed something different.
And also the thing is, why it is 1 minute and 1.5 minutes, it's also not only company's fault, but also it's people don't have enough concentration to watch anything anymore. Even 1 minute is long sometimes. For people it's sometimes literally 30 seconds.
And then there's the understandable wish of having a Instagram version, which makes you cut those landscape videos into something portrait, which makes you cut away the bits and pieces that are called the other dances. It just doesn't work with dance. I mean, dance is created on a horizontal plane called the stage, and then you have to kind of decide who you are gonna put in there. We went to eat. Actually, we went to Istanbul for lunch.
Yeah.
That is true, it's Istanbul up there. Maybe the best Turkish place in Hanover. What's your opinion?
I totally agree with that.
Okay.
The quality of the food is just remarkable.
Just don't look around, because the quarter we're in and the decoration is a little
off. Yeah.
I think the main problem with doing trailers is actually you have to produce them like films, and you have to work as well. So the only chance to film a trailer properly for theater is during one of those end rehearsals.
Yeah, exactly. So
but that's when you work, actually.
Yeah, that's when you are on stage and when I'm working on the piece.
Exactly. Yeah. So this is the only chance for me to work there. So I can't really reshoot something.
Yeah,
I have to go through a run. So that's not professional production of a film or an advert.
Yeah.
At the same time, if we do production, like film production, I'm gonna cut off your time, and that's bad.
That is true because like the time is valuable on stage. Trailers, I like it as well sometimes. The trailers, like if the trailer make me curious about the piece, I'm totally fine with that.
So music is a big issue in trailers because you want to use the music on stage.
Exactly.
But then again, there is this music that is from CDs or something.
Yeah. So you can't have the rights actually.
Exactly. So if you use it on YouTube, because you want to put your trailer out there to the people, it's gonna be copyright strike like immediately. You get striked immediately.
Exactly.
Without anybody seeing the trailer. So that's why we're using his brother's music.
I mean, because also the music is beautiful, isn't it?
Exactly. It's a great piece, actually.
Yeah, it is. I really
it's
like
pretty
that.
cool. The whole music is cool. Just listen to the trailer here. There is the distance that you have to bridge as a performer.
Yeah.
You have to bridge a certain different distance between the stage where you are and the audience, which is like a huge space.
Yeah.
And then I come in with a camera and go like this. I mean, like I'm literally getting in the middle of this arc that you're producing.
Yeah, exactly.
And what is your opinion? I mean, you're a dancer as well.
I mean, honestly, I like much more close-ups with the video or with the audience as well. When the dancer performer is closer to the audience, then you can make it through the feelings, go through the feelings to the audience easier.
Yeah.
That was such a long pause between.
we realized when you saw the trailer and tell us, I've seen the piece. This is not how it works. Watch the trailers, go see the show. It's a different thing. That's something we agree on.
Yes,
the trailer is not the piece. This is completely different.
Yeah.
We cut together a 1 hour piece or 2 hour evening into 1 minute or 90 seconds or something like that.
Which is like nothing that you will not get the feeling.
Thanks for being on the channel with the both of us. We're going to continue this next time we see each other, I guess.
I hope so.
Go see the trailer, go see the piece, subscribe to this channel if you want to, subscribe to his Instagram.
Yes.
Because otherwise you're going to miss his stuff. And thanks.
Thank you. Cheers.
Wait, there is 0.7% of you guys out there from Turkey, so we're gonna say goodbye in Turkish, of course. What's goodbye in Turkish?
Well, we say bye-bye as well.
Oh dear, that's...
But wait, we would say, I would say güle güle.
Alright, cool. To our Turkish audience, güle güle.
Bye.